Hi, welcome back to Safety and Civil Engineers Insight. So today I'll put you through on how you can reproduce this isometric drawing. As you can see, this is an isometric drawing. You can see the dimensions from this point to this point, from here to here is 35,000 millimeters. Is being dimensioned in millimeters. So from this point to this point is 20,000 millimeters. From this point to this point is 7,000 millimeters. From this point to this point is 3,000 millimeters. So I'll put you through on how you can reproduce this in no time. So let's get started. The first thing to do is to go to OSNAP. This is your OSNAP. You click on Object Snap Settings. The dialog box pops out. Ensure you select all these boxes that is being checked or ticked. After that, you go to Grid and Snap, you click on Isometric Snap. You OK it. There you go. So the first thing to do is for we to create this box, this rectangular box below. So to do that, go to Line. You can start anywhere of your choice. So I love to start at this point here. So this direction is 35,000 millimeters. So type 35,000 millimeters, enter, come down. Down is 7,000 millimeters, 7,000 millimeters. This is 35,000 millimeters and up. So we have gotten this part. So to get this part, go to Line, or you press Enter key to reactivate the command. So you can see you have to press your Ctrl F to toggle the direction. So you type 20,000, enter, 7,000, enter, and take it down. Press your enter key to reactivate the command. As you can see, it's not going to this other direction. You press Ctrl F key to activate the other side of the direction of your cursor. So type 35,000 and there you go. So we have successfully created this rectangular box. So what next? We have to create this cylinder. So to do that, just watch. To do that, we have to offset 5 meters, 10 meters, 5 meters. Both the horizontal aspect and the vertical aspect of the rectangular box. So to do that, you come here, you click, you type 5,000, type 20,000, you do the same, type 10,000, enter, 20,000, do the same, type 5,000, enter, 20,000. So you do for this other side, type 5,000, 10,000. Activate it. You type 10,000. So the essence of this is to get a square within this area. So it's it's actually a square box. 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So that's our aim. So the next thing to do, go to line, click at this point, click at this point, press enter to activate your command. You also click at this point. So there you go. So to make things easy, let's trim out this unwanted line so that you won't get things mixed up. So we don't need all these lines anymore. They're irrelevant. They're not useful for us. So you can actually delete these lines. So there you go. So we want to create our circle. So to create your circle, you have to go to ellipse, ellipse, ellipse here. It's ellipse. So you click on it. You check your command bar. As you can see, we have the arc center isometric. So you type I for isometric and press your enter key. Then you click on this at this point, the midpoint of this. You click here. As you can see, sometimes it might not be on the same plane with this box. It could be something like this. So you have to press your Control F5 to toggle the direction. So F5. So you have to type the cycle, which is 5,000, which is 5,000. Sorry, which is 5,000. Remember the square of this box is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. So you have to take half of it, which is 5,000. So you type 5,000. So what next? We highlight everything and copy selection. You right click, copy selection. You move it to your desired height. So you press your Control F5 to toggle your direction. If you are okay at this point, you click escape. So we have gotten um, good pattern of the drawing. So what next to be done? Let's achieve this point here. So to do that, from this point to this point is 8,500. From here to this point is also 8,500. So go to line, look at this point. You ensure that it's towards this direction by pressing your Control F5 key. So we type 8,500, your F key, your Control F5 key to change your direction. So we can take it up to this point. Also, we do for the opposite direction as well. Click at this point, you take it towards this direction, 8,500. So next to be done, go to line, you click at this point where the circle and this other line intersects. So you press your Control F5 key to toggle the direction. this point. The same thing you do for this other point. Take it up. So almost there. So the next thing to do is for we to achieve this. To do that, go to line, click at this point, click here. You do the same for this other point. So as you can see, we're almost there. Then retrain. So let's achieve this point here. You go to line, click at this point, take it up to get to this point. That's all. After that, you trim. Click on trim, press your enter key, start trimming. Trim all these out. So that's what I do. Ensure that you know what you are trimming. If you can't see very well, ensure you have to zoom so that you can see what you are doing. Make sure you zoom. If not, you will end up trimming off the necessary line you need for your drawing. So zoom to ensure you don't mistakenly trim off the lines you needed. So you zoom. We don't need all this. They are irrelevant. Keep trimming. Or you could highlight and delete. Just highlight and delete the unwanted lines. So wow, we were able to reproduce this isometric drawing successfully, no time in, and also in a creative manner. So this is how to do it. So ensure you get used to these steps and these tricks so that your design will be looking good and pleasing to the eyes. So what's it's left is for we to bring out our dimensions. So I'll just teach you one aspect of bringing out your dimensions. So to do that, you go to dimensions, align, look at this point and this other point where you want to show your dimensions. When you take it out a little, you click. So as you can see, this is 35,000 millimeters. Likewise here, 5,000 millimeters. So, but it's not aligned, it's not in the same direction with this. So to do that, you go to dimension, oblique, you click, tap enter, and type -30 to align with the drawing. So this is 35,000 millimeters. You could also do the same for the other side, just like this. So it's the same procedure, nothing so difficult, which I believe you can do. With all this, I know you can do more. So thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, share my video, give me likes, thumbs up. Thank you.